This is an all-purpose cleaner by AMDetails. It's actually a pretty tough grime remover that can be used on the exterior and interior of your vehicle. Directions say you should rinse with a pressure washer on the exterior to remove grime, bugs, and residue, and then repeat for ultimate contactless wash. But the detailing tip is that you can also use this on the interior trim, plastics, and seats. So far today on this vehicle, I've just used it on this rear portion of this Dodge Caliber.
Can you hear me calling for you? Yeah, I'm free falling, I'ma keep on falling for you. I'm free. Oh, and I'm loving all that you do. Can't you see that I'm crashing right into you? I've never felt so alive in my life. 'Cause you make me come to life every time. I'm free. Oh, and I'm loving all that you do. Can't you see that I'm crashing right into you? That I'm crashing right into you. I'm free.
This should give you an idea of what kind of grime it can remove on an interior. This wasn't used on the exterior at all. This is all interior grime. Right here is about how it was clean and dry. And as you can see, it's removed quite a bit. For this 1 liter bottle, it's $14 on Car Supply's warehouse. It goes pretty far. As much as I've used here is on 2 full interior details and the exterior of this Dodge Caliber, or the back portion of this Dodge Caliber. $14 for 1 liter is kind of hard to go wrong with, so I definitely recommend trying it out.